Welcome to Wheel Drivers TV, where legends are born and battles are fought. Today, we're bringing you a showdown that harks back to the glory days of the supercar wars, like the Testarossa versus Countach rivalry that defined a generation. But this time, the stage is set for a modern-day duel. Ferrari 296 GTB versus McLaren 750S. Buckle up, because this is going to be epic. These two machines represent the pinnacle of modern engineering, a clash of philosophies, and a test of supremacy. The Ferrari 296 GTB, with its revolutionary hybrid system, is more than just a supercar, it's a statement. On the other side, we have the McLaren 750S, a refined predator evolved from the 720S lineage. Today, we'll explore how these titans compare in the real world, and what it means for the future of supercars. Let's start with the Ferrari 296 GTB. This isn't just a Ferrari, it's Ferrari's future. The 296 GTB combines a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine with a 165 brake horsepower electric motor, producing a staggering 819 brake horsepower. That's a serious leap forward for Maranello's entry-level supercar. Inside, the 296 GTB is a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The interior is driver-focused, with a digital cockpit that gives you complete control over the car's dynamics. And let's not forget the Assetto Fiorano pack, a $25,920 option that shaves off kilos, adds fixed-rate multimatic dampers, and brings the 296 even closer to track perfection. But how does it perform on the road? Yesterday, I took the 296 GTB through the winding roads of North Wales, and the experience was nothing short of breathtaking. The car is alive, hyper-responsive, and it makes every twist and turn an adrenaline rush. Even at 1,620 kilograms, the Ferrari's weight is never an issue. It feels light on its feet, thanks to its sophisticated powertrain and advanced aerodynamics. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the McLaren 750S. At first glance, you might think it's just a 720S with a few tweaks, but that's only part of the story. McLaren has refined and sharpened the 750S into a precision tool. It's lighter, faster, and more focused than its predecessor, and it's ready to take on all challengers. Sitting in the 750S, you immediately notice how McLaren's design ethos translates into a pure driving experience. The carbon tub, the twin-turbo V8, the cross-link hydraulic dampers, everything is engineered for maximum performance. The steering is incredibly precise, and the car communicates with you in a way that's almost telepathic. High-speed driving shots of the McLaren on twisty roads, emphasizing its handling and agility. Driving the 750S is like wielding a scalpel. It's sharp, focused, and incredibly responsive. Even in the wet, with P0 Corsa tires, the car remains composed and predictable. McLaren's attention to detail has paid off, making the 750S a serious contender in the supercar world. So, how do these two stack up against each other? The Ferrari is the more playful and exuberant of the two. It's designed to thrill, to excite, and to deliver that quintessential Ferrari experience. Meanwhile, the McLaren is all about precision. It's a car that rewards skill and focus, and it's relentless in its pursuit of perfection. The host walking between the two cars, summarizing their strengths and weaknesses. On paper, the 296 GTB has more power, but it's also heavier. The 750S, with its lighter weight and razor-sharp handling, feels more agile and direct. The Ferrari's hybrid system gives it an edge in terms of versatility. You can even drive it in full electric mode around the city. But when it comes to pure driving pleasure, the McLaren's simplicity and focus make it hard to beat. Archival footage and images of the Testarossa versus Countach, 458 versus MP4-12C, and other iconic supercar battles. Supercar rivalries have always been about pushing boundaries, each competitor driving the other to new heights. The Testarossa versus Countach set the stage in the 80s, defining what it meant to be a supercar. Today, the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren 750S carry that torch, each one influencing the other, pushing the limits of technology, design, and performance. These cars aren't just fast, they're at the cutting edge of automotive engineering. Both Ferrari and McLaren have poured their hearts and souls into these machines, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. Whether you prefer the Ferrari's flair or the McLaren's precision, one thing is clear. These cars are the new benchmarks for the supercar world. Conclusion and call to action. So, which one suits you more? The exuberant, electrifying Ferrari 296 GTB or the intense, focused McLaren 750S? It's a tough choice, and honestly, there's no wrong answer. Both cars are masterpieces in their own right, each bringing something unique to the table. For us, the McLaren 750S edges out as the winner, but it's a close call, thanks in no small part to the Ferrari's relentless innovation. The host standing between the two cars, facing the camera. If you're as passionate about supercars as we are, you won't want to miss what's coming next. We've got more epic battles, in-depth reviews, and behind-the-wheel experiences lined up for you. So hit that subscribe button, join us on Wheel Drivers TV, and be part of the ultimate supercar community. This is just the beginning.